Midrange, hindi. Binigay kay Ampongan. Block by Ramos. Second shot, good. Time out! Sarang bowlers. Arepor, 2 points. 2 on 1 pass break. Morales, 2. Colonel, 2 points. Tira, iba ni Ramos. Wala pa rin. Ano. Masa. Nice pick by Ruel, 2 points. Balik kay Ismael, Midrange, malakas. Ibalik ng Tida, 2 points. Boogie, sumugod sa ilalim, 2 points. Time out, Charan bowlers. Balik kay Boogie sa gitna. May kauban pang pounds. 3 on 1 pass break, binigay kay Colonel. Adiyo. Morales. Binigay kay Ampongan sa corner. Basket! May kauban pang foul. Na-convert niya yung 4-point play. Binigay kay Ramos sa ilalim. Black by Ampongan. Binigay kay Lacson na. Binigay kay Morales. 3 on 1 pass break to Ampongan. 2 points. Offensive rebound by Israel. Binigay kay Ramos. Binigay sa ilalim. 2 points. Ball shot, pasok. Arepor, lamang kay Ampongan. 2 points. Binigay kay Colonel, back to Morales. Bumitaw ng 3. Bang! Morales for 3. Binigay kay Ramos sa ilalim, 2 points. Ampongan. Binigay kay Ruel. Bumitaw ng 3. Bang! Lacson for 3. Arepor. Bumitaw bigla. Arepor for 3. Ampongan. Dumiskan sa ilalim. Midrange 2 points. Ampongan. 2 points. 10 seconds to shoot. Arepor. Midrange 2 points. Mutik pa agaw. Ito si Arepor. 3, 2.
Ay, lakas. Ay!
Third quarter. Binigay kay Triple D, sumiksik sa ilalim. Wala, pero nakuha niya yung rebound. All shot for the back. Binigay kay Berdida. Block by Colonel. Berdida. Tira, alahoy, kumak. Tuwang Pongan sa corner. Bang! First shot ni Dabat. Second shot, good. Ramos, 2 points by kauban pang foul. Body shot, good. Time out. Pato Malit. Arepor, dire-diretso, 2 points. Lacson to Ampongan, 2 points. Kita si Colonel sa ilalim. Block by Renel. Arepor. Pero nandun si Laban for clean up. Pongan to Morales to Colonel. 2 points. Triple D, dire-diretso. 2 points. Boogie, sumugod sa gitna. 2 points. Morales. Steal by Ramos. Ramos versus Boogie. Time out sa Ram Bowlers. Nakatingin, pero nakuha ni Arepor. Biglang bumitaw ng 3. Bang! Arepor 3. First shot, good. Second shot, malinis.
Kunin mo na!
Ampongan, walang bantay. Bang! Ampongan for 3. Triple D, 2 points. Second shot. Rafi, biglang bumitaw ng 3. Bang! Rafi for 3. 7 seconds remaining. Ang report, numero 3, 2, 1. And the third quarter. Pongan, dikitan lang ang laban. Dalawa lang ang laban. Libre si Lacson, 2 points. To ang report, biglang bumitaw ng 3. Bang! Pongan. To Lacson, bumitaw din ng 3. Bang! Palitan ng 3. Triple D, dire-diretso, 2 points. Arepor, 2 points. Steal by Arepor, 2 points. At ang kalaban ng Sharang Bowlers. Arepor, Pag-Dominic. Abangan, Kaiman, Sharang Bowlers. Bonus shot for Ampongan. Morales nakawala sa depensa. Sige Kitaban, 2 points. Bugi, balik kay Ampongan, bumitaw ng 3. Bang! Ampongan for 3. First. Boogie versus Bertida, 2 points for Boogie. Balik ulit kay Ampongan, 2 points. Rapi for personal foul.
Hindi.
Second shot, good. Second shot, good. Second shot,
Ayun.
good.
Right side!
Lacson na naman, bumitaw ng 3. Bang! Lacson for 3. Last 2 minutes. This last 2 minutes is brought to you by Watch Bati Restaurant. Daban, malakas, Bertida, 2 points. First shot, Tuma. Second shot, good. Triple D, 2 points.
Nag-aangatan yung mga nasa ilalim.
Second shot, good for Boogie. Score, Phantom Elite 76, Sharang Bowlers 70.